Today we are putting the spotlight on our artists who submitted work for the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo Art Program. For more than 50 years, the Rodeo Art Show has challenged students and schools to think outside the box. The program provides students with the opportunity to participate in district shows, earn scholarships, travel to summer workshops, and display work in the Hayloft Gallery during the rodeo. Dickinson is one of 142 school districts who participate annually in the Rodeo School Art Program. Students in Dickinson ISD began creating their rodeo art masterpieces during the first semester, and they worked under the supervision of their art teacher. Last week, the district-level competition was held. The Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo Art Committee visited Gator Nation and judged the artwork on originality, creativity, composition, application of technical skill, and excellence. Entries received red, white, or blue ribbons, and Best of Show and Gold Medal awards were selected by the judges. Best of Show and Gold Medal winners have advanced to the Rodeo Art Show at Reliance Center. At the elementary level, Abbie Barnes from Barber Middle School received Best of Show. Emiliano Arguello from Silbernagel Elementary received a gold medal. In the junior high division, Hayden Honicker received Best of Show, and Mariah Jackson received a gold medal. Both of these students attend McAdams Junior High. At Dickinson High School, Best of Show was awarded to Andy Jiang, and gold medals were given to Alexandra Morales and Katherine Tovar. The Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo kicks off February 25th and ends March 17th. If you attend the rodeo, be sure to visit the Hayloft Gallery and look for the work of our Dickinson ISD students. The winning artwork by students across the Gulf Coast area is amazing, and I guarantee you will be impressed. Special thanks to all our students who participated in the Rodeo Art Program. Congratulations to all our winners, and thank you, teachers, for encouraging participation and supporting your students in this competition. We are Gator proud.